Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Want to make your videos more accessible and professional? In this video, I'll show you how to add auto captions in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform, this guide will help you reach a bigger audience effortlessly. Let's get started. Open CapCut and select your video. Now tap on Caption and generate it. Now captions are successfully generated. If there's a mistake in the captions, tap on Edit Caption to correct the spelling. You can also easily change the caption's template, font, color, and more in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.